Welcome to the Academic Life OS Notion template. If you are seeking a well-rounded digital workspace designed to seamlessly incorporate a user's academic and personal goals, then you have found yourself in the right place. Why is this so? Well, the answer lies in the fact that this system elegantly organizes content across a number of key hubs, including an academic hub for tracking readings, assignments, resources, and courses, and a wellness and productivity hub that offers tools for mood tracking, procrastination management, and anxiety reduction. The template further extends to a personal finance tracker and a lifestyle and leisure hub, all unified by a distinctive dark academia aesthetic. Its core purpose is to provide a centralized command center for efficient management, fostering both scholarly pursuits and personal equilibrium. This powerful tool is not exclusively for those following a formal curriculum with traditional assignments and courses. It is also ideally suited for self-taught scholars who are developing their own learning paths. While capable of tracking formal assignments and courses, it is also perfect for managing extensive readings and organizing research for independent study. The overarching goal of fostering scholarly pursuits makes it highly relevant for anyone engaged in deep learning and knowledge acquisition, whether that's within an institutional framework or through self-directed education. Thank you for your attention. We hope this command center empowers you to achieve seamless organization and wish you many productive and well-structured study sessions.